This mini USB LED bulb has 16 RGB lights and IR remote. With this screw bolt, you can install and fix the mini bulb. You can also unscrew the screw bolt. There is a mini wire connector. It is DC 5V USB powered. Here is the switch button to turn on and turn off. This is 24 key IR remote. You can set to 16 kinds of light colors. It's okay to set light brightness. There are also RGB fading and flashing light modes.